5.1.3 related stage code. Reset. Looks like we're defining 4 variables, A, B, X, and Y. And remember, I can just put it in as a list with a single quote. So it's A, B, X, Y. Close it out. And now all 4 are defined individually, A, B, X, and Y. And what I'm going to do now, equation 1, EQ1 equals, and that's an assignment operator, I shouldn't say equal, y squared. This is an implicit relationship between x and y, plus x to the 4th power. The double equal sign means got an equation, 2 star x squared, times y, plus 1. All right, did okay there. Now equation 1, EQ1, I'm going to say substitute now. This was nice to have this command, by the way. What am I going to do? I'm going to say x is going to be the square root of pi, sqrt, pi, and I'm going to say y is equal to a. You know, I should double equal sign. I'll have to correct that in the notes, by the way. And we did that. All right, so we get, pi squared plus a squared, 2 pi a plus 1. Now I'm going to do equation 2, EQ2, right? EQ2 now is going to be equal to, I keep saying that, it's assigned EQ1, substitute, and we're going to substitute x square root of pi, sqrt, pi, and I'm going to say y is equal to a. Now someone says you just did that. A little different now. I'm making an assignment out to EQ2. That's going to be a, right? Okay, now I'm going to do EQ3. I'm just going to use the up arrow because I have the same thing typed in almost. But I'm going to call it EQ3. Whoops. And then I'm substituting in square root of pi, and y would be b now. So I'm just reusing to retype. I did that. And now what I want to do solve, S-O-L-V-E. This is the system of equations. There's 2 equations, EQ2 and EQ3. And I want to solve it for the ordered pair AB. Let's see how it does. Okay, so it gave me a bunch of answers over here. So I wonder what question this was and how it pertains to what we've just been doing. So I want to go back over the notes and look at it. And I think it has something to do with a problem that we just did. And the problem we just did is one number 1. All right, now just reading the question again would say, the x and y coordinates of 2 different points, blah, blah, satisfied in the equation. What is a plus b? All right, so what I want to point out, looking at it, kind of looking at it, I hope you realize, if someone said what a plus b is, right? Let me just see if I got this right over here. I got to read it again. 2 different points. That means a can't be equal to b. All right. Now, by the way, I want to point out why this would not be a good answer over here, because a does equal b. They're the same thing. By the way, this one over here is fine. A does not equal b there. They're distinct. And if you add those together, you get 2 pi. Over here, for this one over here, the third one in, a is pi minus 1 and b is pi plus 1. Add those together, still get 2 pi. The last one's not good, by the way. And the reason why a and b are the same number, right? If they're the same number, which is pi plus 1, it's not, they said they're distinct points, by the way. So the answer is 2 pi, as we got. All right? Again, the point of using Sage is not to do the problem, but is to realize there's a bridge from what we're doing by paper and pencil into a different space where computers are going to be absolutely necessary to use. And you really want to start getting your feet wet and using a computer to solve problems. All right? Thank you.